Hello everyone, I'm Bob Silvestro, head golf professional here at Cedar Hammock Golf and Country Club. In this video, I'd like to go over pace of play and the importance of pace of play coming into peak season. First, I'd like to go over our GPS is set to 4 hours and 13 minutes in terms of pace. That's due to our crossover tee times. Our crossovers, we send groups off 1 and 10 starting at 7:30 in the morning, and they make the turn right around 9:30. We need people to play up with the group ahead of them as they make their turn, and then there's a little leeway there. So 2 hours and 7 minutes is our target time for our crossover. When we use the term keeping up with the group ahead of you, we're referring to your position on the golf course. Your position is directly behind the group in front of you, so you should never be more than 2 shots behind that group. If you are more than 2 shots behind that group, then you are falling behind. What that does to the field is there is a ripple effect that happens. More often than not, it happens around par 3s, but when that bottlenecks and that ripple effect happens, by the time you correct your mistake by picking up your pace, it has already affected numerous groups behind you. So keeping up and being self-aware of your position is crucial, especially through peak season and packed tee sheets. When we use the term ready golf, we're referring to you preparing for your next shots coming up, so preparation starts earlier. So thinking about the shot that you have coming up as you're driving up the fairway. If somebody goes to their ball, you can start thinking about your shot and maybe grab a club and go to your ball. I'd also like to go over what the golf shop staff and the outside staff do to monitor pace of play on a daily basis. The golf shop has a computer that constantly monitors the pace of play. It tells us when groups are anywhere between 0 to 10 minutes behind and 10 minutes or more. The process that we use is if we see a group starting to become out of position, we'll send a ranger to that group to discuss that with them. Along with that, the golf shop will send you a first notice. The first notice will just warn you that your group is falling behind or is out of position, and will refer to notices to come if the pace of play does not get better. You will need to confirm all messages, so the golf shop does get notified when you read them. The second notice that would come would tell you that the pace of play did not get better. It will refer to the third notice that comes with a golf shop member coming out and moving your group. That's notice number 3. Our goal is that after you see notice number 1, that someone in the group would talk to everybody else about playing ready golf until you're back into position. We appreciate all your understanding and cooperation with pace of play as our tee sheets get busier and busier. The enjoyment of our members on our golf course is our priority. We will have subsequent videos coming out explaining and showing examples of how to quicken your pace of play and maybe some issues that are happening on the golf course while you're out there, just to make you aware. Thank you.